linear equation in two variables. Exercise 4.3, page number 74, question number 8. In the last video, we have solved the part 1 of the question number 8. In this video, we are going to solve the rest part of the questions. Start. In countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is the linear equation of the converted Fahrenheit to the Celsius. This one is the equation given. Now comes to the second part. Please refer the book for the second part. In the second part, it is if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in the Fahrenheit? So temperature is given is 30 degrees Celsius and we have to count temperature in the Fahrenheit. So start with F is equal to 9 by 5. At the place of Celsius, we are going to write the temperature, that is 30 degree plus 32. 5 6 are 30. Now 9 multiplied by 6 plus 32. 9 multiplied by 6 is 54 plus 32. 4 and 2 6 and 5 and 3 8. So the temperature is 86 degree Celsius. So the temperature is 86 degree Fahrenheit. This is the part second. Now comes to the part third. Please refer the book for the part third. In the part third, it is given that if the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit. Now the temperature in the Fahrenheit is given and we have to calculate it Celsius. So start with 95 degree is equal to 9 by 5 multiplied by Celsius plus 32. Now 95 minus 32 is equal to 9 by 5 multiplied by Celsius. Now 5 minus 2 is 3 and 9 minus 3 is 6. Now multiply by 5 and divide by 9. Now 9 7s are 63. Now 7 multiplied by 5, that is 35 degree Celsius. So if the temperature in the Fahrenheit is 95 degree Celsius, then the temperature in Celsius will be 35 degree Celsius. Now comes to the part 4. Please refer the book. If the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, what is the temperature in the Fahrenheit? And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? So first we'll start. The temperature is 0 degree Celsius. Then F is equal to 9 by 5 multiplied by 0 plus 32. This becomes 0. So 0 plus 32. F is equal to 32. If the temperature in the Celsius is 0 degree, then temperature in Fahrenheit will be 32 degree. Now the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit. And 0 is equal to 9 by 5 multiplied by C plus 32. Now 32 is equal to 9 by 5 multiplied by C. Now 32 multiplied by 5 divided by 9. Now 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 5 3s are 15 and 1 16. Divide by 9 is equal to C. Now we will divide it. 160 divided by 9. 9 1s are 9, remainder 7, carry 0. Now 9 7s are 63, remainder 7. Now for the 0, we will put a decimal here and this is the 0. Now again 9 7s are 63 and it will go on. So it is 17.7 degree Celsius. Now this one is adding here, this one gets subtracted here. Now this one and this negative sign remains till the end. So the temperature, if the temperature is 0 degree in the Fahrenheit, then the temperature will be minus 17.7 degree Celsius in the Celsius. This is the part 4 of the question number 8. Now comes to the part 5. Is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and the Celsius? If yes, find it. So first we'll write here Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius. Now right now we are solving part 5. Now Celsius is equal to 9 by 5 multiplied by Celsius plus 32. Now this one is first term, this is the second. We'll take this one here. So C minus 9 by 5 C. Now there is 1, we'll cross multiply it. This becomes 5C minus 9C upon 5. And this one is equal to 32. Now 5C minus 9C is minus 4C by 5 is equal to 30. C is equal to 32 multiplied by 5 divided by minus 4. Now C is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 8s are 32. Now we'll take this one on the numerator. Now minus 8 multiplied by 5. Now C is equal to 8 5s are 40 minus 40 degree. If the Celsius and Fahrenheit is equal, so at the temperature minus 40 degree, numerically both are same. This is the question number 8. In the next video, we are going to start with the next exercise, exercise 4.4.